学費 is mean tuition. Gaku is mean learning, studying, or science. But he, the kanji of he is mean about cost. If you do something, you have to pay money, right? So when you pay money, this means he. Or when you do something or you want to get something done, you have to pay money for someone to do for you. So in the case like this, you use the kanji he. So gakuhi is mean the money or the budget that you will use to study. So it mean tuition. So when you put the kanji of learn and with the kanji of something that you have to pay, so it means the tuition. And in here you have the example like 日本の大学は学費が高いです。日本の大学は学費が高いです。It means the tuition of Japanese universities are expensive. The tuition of Japanese universities are expensive. 日本の大学 is mean Japanese university. は学費が高いです。学費 is mean the expense, the tuition. 学費が高い is mean the tuition is expensive. 学費が安い is mean the tuition is cheap. So when you compare with your country, maybe in Japan, the tuition is expensive for you. But if you live in America or Europe, maybe the tuition is cheap for you. So it just depends where you are and you living in. So this kanji, this compound word is mean the tuition